everyone, welcome back to my channel. Under 300 I found these super useful products from Meso that every home needs and you won't believe the quality. So today's video is going to be super exciting because I am sharing some very useful and budget friendly products that I recently purchased from Meso, and the best part is all these products are affordable, good quality, and almost every home needs them. So if you love smart shopping and budget finds, then keep watching till the end because this video is going to be really helpful for you. So the first product is this kitchen organizer storage container. I got 8 pieces for just rupees 309, which is honestly a great deal. The quality is really good. It made of thick material and feels durable. Also it is transparent so you can easily see what's inside without opening every container. You can store pulses, spices, dry fruits or snacks, and it keeps your kitchen drawers neat and organized. Plus it also looks very clean and aesthetic in the kitchen. So overall this is definitely a very useful and worth buying product. Next product is this bathroom rack. This is perfect for storing your daily bathroom essentials like shampoo, conditioner, face wash, etc. The best thing about this product is it comes with adhesive tapes, so there is no need for drilling, which means no mess, no damage to walls. And trust me, the grip is really strong. Once you fix it properly, it does not fall at all. I got this for just rupees 196, which is super affordable. So this is again a must-have product for every home. Next is something a little different. This live bamboo plant. This is very popular among people who believe in Vastu. It is believed that this plant brings positive energies, growth, good luck, and even attract money. If you place it in the right direction, it can give very positive vibes in your home. And the price is just rupees 116, which is very reasonable. Even if you won't believe in Vastu, it still look very fresh and aesthetic in your room or living space. Next product is this thread box sets. So normally if you buy threads from the market, one thread costs around rupees 10 to 12. But here I got a full box for rupees 279, which includes multiple thread colors, needles, cutters, reaper, bobbin case. So basically it is a complete sewing kit. This is very useful for daily small stitching work at home, and honestly it's a very profitable and smart purchase. Quality is also quite good, so totally worth it. And the last product is these wall shelves. I got this for around rupees 283. This is a wall mountain shelf, and they also provide nuts, screws, mounting tools, so you can easily install it at home. You can use it in multiple ways like kitchen storage, puja shelf, decoration items, or even for organizing small things. It looks simple but very useful and practical. And one more product that I almost forgot to mention is this artificial trailing hanging green plant with a white pot. I got this for just rupees 188, and honestly looks super cute. The size is a bit small, but it's perfect for wall shelves decor or even for small corners in your room. The best thing is it looks very real and aesthetic, but there is no maintenance at all. No watering, no sunlight, no tension. So if you love greenery but don't want the hassle of taking care of live plants, this is a perfect option. It instantly makes your space look more fresh and beautiful. So yeah, that's all for today's video. All these products are budget friendly, useful and worth buying. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. By the way guys, let me know in the comments which product you like the most, and if you want links of any product, just comment link and I will share it with you